This video contains affiliate links, and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned, at no extra cost to you, because they're the best in the industry. What if I told you that in 2025, you don't need staff, a big budget, or even experience to start a real business? In this video, I'm showing you 7 machines and setups that are helping regular people in the US and UK go from zero to profitable, even if they're starting from scratch. Machine number 1. Snack Packing Machine. Let's start with a machine that helps turn everyday snacks into premium packaged products, ready for shelves, markets, or online stores. The Snack Sealing and Packing Machine. This machine is ideal for small food businesses that want to scale. Think homemade chips, nuts, trail mix, dried fruits, popcorn, or even protein bites. Here's how it works. You prepare your snack product, something tasty and consistent. You load it into pre-printed pouches or blank bags. The machine fills, seals, and sometimes gas flushes them to extend shelf life. You get a clean, professional-looking package in seconds. Startup cost is accessible. $600 to $1,500 for a tabletop sealer. $3,000 to $8,000 for fully automated lines with weighing and sealing. Packaging cost, 10 to 30 cents per bag. Retail price, $2 to $6, depending on product and branding. Where can you sell? Local convenience stores and delis, farmers markets, food fairs. Online through your own site or Amazon, cafes, gyms, or corporate snack programs. You build a brand. You can design your packaging, set your margins, and even white label for other companies. It's a business with a low barrier to entry, but high customization. And once people love your product, they'll come back again and again. Machine number 2. Nano Coating Machine. Next up is a machine that looks like science fiction but makes real money. The Nano Coating Machine for mobile phones. This device applies an invisible layer of protection to phone screens using nanotechnology. Once applied, it protects the glass from water, scratches, and even minor drops, without needing a case or screen protector. The process is quick. A technician places the phone in the chamber, activates the cycle, and in 2 to 3 minutes, the coating is applied and bonded. Because billions of people use phones daily, and screen repairs are expensive, for under $10, you can offer a protective solution that feels futuristic and works. Machines start at around $1,000 to $2,500. Each treatment costs less than $1 in product and retails for $15 to $30. This is a great upsell for phone repair shops, kiosks, or mall booths. Fast, clean, and high margin, this is a hidden gem in the tech world. Machine number 3. Mini Food Truck. Let's talk about one of the most exciting and affordable ways to make money in almost any city, the Mini Food Truck Modular Unit. Unlike a traditional food truck that might cost $50,000 to $100,000, this setup is compact, mobile, and budget-friendly. Startup cost, between $4,000 and $8,000, depending on equipment. You can set it up to sell coffee or espresso, ice cream or shaved ice, hot dogs, tacos, burgers, fresh juices or smoothies, or even sweets like waffles or churros. Here's why it works. Food never goes out of style. And when you bring it directly to where people are, parks, schools, nightlife zones, events, you're in business. Cost per item, 50 cents to $2. Sell price, $4 to $10 plus, and the volume is real. Some vendors sell 100 plus items daily. You can even run it as a part-time weekend gig or rent it out to food entrepreneurs or influencers. Add mobile payment, eye-catching design, and a consistent product, and you've got a mini business with big potential. What's best? You don't need a location lease. You don't need staff at the start. And with the right permits, you can move to where the money is. It's fast, flexible, and fun. And in 2025, micro food trucks are becoming the go-to model for new food brands. If you've ever dreamed of owning a restaurant, this is your low-cost way in. Machine number 4. Event Equipment Rental. Now let's talk about a business that almost runs itself and is in demand every single weekend, the event equipment rental business. This isn't about owning a venue. It's about renting out the fun stuff like popcorn machines, cotton candy carts, bounce houses, photo booths, speakers, and lights. You just deliver, set it up or not, and pick it up after. A startup can be flexible. Start with $1,500 to $3,000 for a few machines and scale from there. Each machine can be rented for $50 to $200 per day, and most customers rent multiple items. Focus on birthdays, school events, company parties, and seasonal fairs. You can run it on weekends only, or grow into full-time with staff and delivery vans. Low stress. High demand. Repeat customers. What more do you want? So, you've discovered a business you're passionate about, and now your company or store is expanding its reach. But with success comes a new question. Should you consider forming a business? This is where LLCs come in. An LLC is a legal structure that separates your personal assets, like your savings, from your business assets. If someone sues your business, your personal belongings are protected. Plus, LLCs offer potential tax benefits. And here's the biggest time saver of all. Hire a professional formation company like Bizee, formerly Incfile. They'll handle everything: LLC filing, EIN, operating agreement, so you can focus on building your business instead of chasing paperwork. Bizee is one of the best entity formation platforms in the market, charging $0 for their service, which no other company offers. When filing your LLC with a professional formation service like Bizee, you can request expedited processing for an extra fee. That means instead of waiting days or even weeks, you can get your approval within 24 hours. Machine number 5, clothes folding machine. Let's start with one of the smartest machines for people who hate laundry and love profits, the automatic clothes folding machine. Originally used in hotels and laundromats, this machine is now being used by small businesses that offer folding services from home or on the go. Here's how it works. You place a shirt, a towel, or a pair of pants onto the tray. The machine folds it perfectly in seconds. No training needed. Some models can fold 10 to 12 items per minute. This isn't just for home use. Smart entrepreneurs are offering services for busy professionals, Airbnb hosts, boutique hotels, and even corporate offices with locker rooms. Startup cost, about $1,800 to $4,000. Your only ongoing costs, electricity and time. Charge $1 to $2 per item folded, or offer monthly pickup plans. It's low effort, high efficiency, and completely different from anything most people offer. Machine number 6, seed capsule machine. Let's shift gears to something more green and growing fast, the seed capsule dispenser. This machine takes biodegradable capsules, fills them with seeds and compost, and seals them into ready-to-plant pods. Why does this matter? Because eco-friendly habits are trending globally. Schools, communities, and urban gardeners, they're all looking for simple ways to plant more without mess or prep. You can sell these seed pods individually, in educational kits, or in bulk to green projects. Startup cost, around $2,000 to $4,000. Retail price, up to $2 to $5 each. This business fits into eco stores, garden shops, fundraisers, school programs, or even vending machines in parks. It's small, lightweight, clean, and tied to a bigger mission. In 2025, profit meets planet. Machine number 7, foam production unit. Foam is everywhere in chairs, sofas, mattresses, office seats, packaging, and even exercise equipment. And while most people never think about it, the demand for foam is constant and growing. This next opportunity is a PAMBOK mini foam production unit, a compact setup that lets you manufacture and sell custom foam blocks. Here's how it works. You use 2 main ingredients, polyol and isocyanate, along with colorants and stabilizers. When combined, they expand into foam, which is poured into molds and left to cure. Once solidified, you can cut the foam into sheets, blocks, or custom shapes for different industries. Startup cost, around $4,000 to $8,000 for a basic setup that includes mixers, molds, and a foam cutter. Cost per block, $5 to $10. Sell price, $30 to $100 plus, depending on size and density. Who buys foam? Upholsterers, mattress shops, furniture factories, gyms and sports centers, packaging companies, especially for fragile goods. What makes this powerful? Foam is light, cheap to make, and high margin. It's bulky, so local production wins over imports. You can customize it for niche use cases and sell direct. You can start from a small warehouse or garage. Add a hot wire cutter or automated press over time and scale up. It's not flashy, but if you want industrial-grade income with low local competition, foam might be your quiet gold mine. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and entrepreneurial insights. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and keep building the life you've always imagined. See you soon.